Good morning guys. So ito kami ngayon. Maglilinis na naman kami ng isang bahay na renovation. So we will clean yung window sill. Ayan, lilinisin namin yan. Kita naman nyo, so you can see how dirty it is. So we going to clean that, all the window. Lahat yan lilinisin namin. And then, so kita nyo, see how dirty. We're gonna clean that one there. And all the skating board, we will clean that one there. See how the skating board there. We're gonna clean that. And then the aircon, we will clean that one too. So very much everything will clean. So yan yung kitchen. Yung kitchen, lilinisin namin yan. Then sa kitchen, and of course, lahat yan lilinisin namin yan. You think it's not dirty when you say it, when you see this video, but it's dirty. So yan, lilinisin namin yan. We will clean that one as well. So ito ang mga trabaho namin, ang trabaho ko sa Australia. Yan, lilinisin namin yan sa rinse hood. Mamaya yan ay hindi na brown. Ay, paano na yan. And then, yung stove, lilinisin din yan. Labas-loob. And then, lahat ng mga loob, ng mga cabinet, labas-loob, lilinisin namin yan. So, nakita medyo madumi. Ayan. So, lilinisin namin yan. Lahat dito. Lahat na makita ninyo na dumi yan, mga dumi na yan. Look at that. It's dirty. So, we will clean that one later on. Or soon. Soon as I finish my video. And, of course, yung kitchen is not new. But, it's old. It's just the renovation. Just the renovation. This one, so we will clean that. And then see how under there, how dirty, ang dumi-dumi, ang dirty na yan. So lilinisin namin yan mamaya. Ayan. So itong bahay na to, luma, pero renovation siya. And then, siyempre, ayan, yung bathroom queen ko, nagre-ready na siya. Siya yung bathroom queen ko. So, lilinisin niya yan, yung mga shower na yan. The shower, my bathroom queen, she is gonna clean that shower. See how that shower there is dirty? That one later on will gone. Will gone, that guy will gone. And this one here. Ayan. That one later on, it will be nice and clean. And then, lilinisin din niya yan. She is gonna clean inside as well. That cabinet there. And also, this one here, see how gross it is? She is gonna clean that one there. And all my guys who are helping me at the moment, they are doing the window right now. And then me, I go blah 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 here, blah blah blah. See that one there? See how really dirty? Will be cleaned that one later on. So guys, if you are here, my advice, I live in Australia. My name is Ruthie Peters. I live in Australia. So this is my job to do. I'm a cleaner in Australia. So guys, if you need my help to do some cleaning your house or your office or build this clean, please do so. Contact me on 4627-4004, or you can visit Ruthie Commercial Cleaning, and of course that's only in Australia. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean that one. Then later on will be gone that one. And thank you everyone for following my channel on YouTube, Ruthie Peters channel in YouTube. And I really appreciate it, and thank you everyone. So right now I'm going to do some work now because my bathroom queen, she's giving me a hint that go to work. Look,
Get back to work.
She said, get back to work, boss.
Quick.
So that's my Cecil there, my bathroom queen.
Hello.
Yeah, so if you want your bathroom, it's sparkle and clean in a blink, please give us a call.
Should I try?
Yeah, throw away that one, everything. And this is my Washim. Washim, hi, hello.
Hi.
So hello.
Hello.
Say, follow me in
Hello,
Ruthie
guys.
Peter on YouTube.
Yes, of course.
Alright, boys, thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching. And I'm really appreciate it. Thank you so much.